hear that roar.
We decided, because we've been talking about it for the past 2 hours, we're just going right to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
We're just gonna park up and go right to Magic Kingdom, and I don't know. I think we're gonna try Splash Mountain. Yeah. We'll see what the wait is for that. We just keep talking about it. We're like, okay, like let's try this and then go to Magic Kingdom. Well, let's do this and go to let's just go to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, you know, we did Pigman and then we ate and we're like, that's it, we're good.
Yeah,
for Epcot. Till next time.
Yeah.
So.
Monorail.
Monorail.
We're gonna get on that right now.
Yeah, let's go. Change of plans.
Change of plans.
What is going
We're
on?
gonna take the ferry boat.
What?
Why not?
Why not? That's right.
Actually, okay, so what really happened was the monorail to Magic Kingdom was down when we were at Epcot.
Yeah.
And they said that our only means of transportation would be the ferry boat. But right when we got off, they were like, oh wait, it's fixed. And we were like, no, you already convinced us. We're just gonna take the boat.
It was a good idea. So here we are.
So we're gonna take the boat. Look at the view. Look at the view.
Can't.
Oh, you can't see the view.
Oh no, you can. Can't say that's not a good view. I'll probably get a seat on the ferry boat. Go across the water, maybe jump in.
It's like smelled donuts.
Oh my god.
We just walked by Joffrey's and they have those like big donuts.
So it's like donuts or funnel cake. And we're back. Magic Kingdom in the rain.
Just like, not that I was in a bad mood. I was not in a bad mood. Let me clarify that first before I say this. But I don't know. I'm in like a better mood now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's a little more fun.
Yeah. You know.
Maybe the rain will cause it to cool off a little too. Might be nice.
Maybe the rain will scare people away. I mean,
yeah.
You know, wait times. I don't know.
Then we have the whole park to ourselves.
Just us.
Just me and you.
Happily ever after, all to ourselves. Say it again.
Hi there, come on up. Have a good one.
Thank you. Who's a park hopper? I'm a park hopper.
What?
I'm gonna make that shirt.
Who's a park hopper? I'm a park hopper.
I was gonna say, who's a park hopper on the front?
Oh, and then I get it.
I'm the park hopper.
Okay.
On the back.
I got it.
I'm gonna sell 1 million t-shirts. Did we get maps last time?
No, that's what I'm saying. So.
All right.
Yeah. Here, punch wrong. That's a lot, actually. So if you don't know, now you know.
We collect
maps.
We collect maps.
You don't need them. Just welcome. I don't know.
No. Eventually we'll make a collage or something. Donnie!
Do you feel like the rain's kind of clearing the park out? Like, I know
Maybe.
we joked about it before, but I think it's like legit.
People are leaving.
It's like,
Yeah. There's the castle. It's Winnie the Pooh.
no, I love that we're finding these, right?
I know. It's cool. I'm really surprised, again, how big they are. Going to Adventureland.
Yeah, we're actually gonna make our way to Frontierland, but we want to see what the wait time is for Pirates.
For Splash Mountain.
Well, we want to see what the wait time is for Pirates on the way to Splash Mountain.
Okay. Good idea.
Thanks.
There it is. Country bear.
Running the manual.
I know.
You be okay on Splash Mountain?
Hope so. A little worried about the drop.
That's why I'm asking you.
Okay. Whatever. It's short.
Yeah, it's short. It's a little
Well,
drop.
it's little. Could be alright.
Be fine. We'll find out, I guess, right?
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It really is. And you've done this before. You were just...
A long time ago, yeah.
It's funny because normally when we come, I know we came last October,
Yeah.
but normally when we come, it's down for like refurbishment.
Yeah.
It's never open. We don't even have the opportunity to go on it.
You're right.
Other than last October, but I couldn't go on it. I think that's why we decided not to.
Yeah.
So we don't know when it's going to change over, so we might as
Nope.
well just do it now and
Do it now.
just in case. Ryan,
Yeah.
this is your chance to exit.
Oh my god.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Are you sure?
Whatever.
Okay, let's go. I have a feeling we're getting soaked on this.
Alright. No, I need it.
We're gonna get like soaked.
I need it.
Oh man. Okay. Oh, all right. You all right?
How's it felt for you to be?
It's been years since I've been home.
It's not bad.
No, it's not. Good so far?
Let me go!
ready?
No.
Well, it's happening.
I don't like going up.
I'm sure it doesn't help that we're like a boat behind because there's a little bit of a backup, so we're stopped.
And when will you see that old Brer Rabbit?
Yes.
So
Can't see. That was great. That's what it was better than
That
that
was
was
great.
drop.
Yeah, wasn't as bad? Good. I'm glad. I'm so. It feels good. Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah, you gotta.
I know.
All the way in the back.
We gotta clean you off there. We'll be right
It's all
back.
part of the experience. Okay, Splash Mountain, we did it.
We did it. And I don't know if you can see that.
Dark cloud.
Nasty cloud. But before we try to take cover, do you want to go ride Big Thunder Mountain?
Yeah.
You mean what?
Why not?
It was like 15 minutes when we got on line for Splash Mountain.
Yeah. 20.
I'm not sure if that's thunder.
Yeah, I think it is.
Thunder, they're totally shutting this ride down.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe we should wait.
I guess we gotta get your Dole Whip stat. Stat. Do you know what you never got and we still didn't get it?
Churro?
Yes. Hey.
Oh, I know.